What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax, and good morning from Cape Town, South Africa. We're going to go over Bitcoin, guys. We've had an absolutely juicy breakout, so we're going to get into the analysis here. Currently, we're sitting at 50,058. We're sitting at a market cap of 941 billion. 24-hour volume is 40.21 billion. Guys, if you're new to Crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour chart, guys. So we broke out of our double bottom. We saw some absolutely juicy green candles. We were going crazy in the Discord. And we've thrown all the way back up into our channel here. And we're seeing an incredible amount of volume here, so things are looking extremely bullish. We are coming up to a major level of resistance. So you can see we absolutely smashed through our target from this double bottom. Now there is a larger double bottom here that I want to make you guys aware of, which we're just starting to break out of. So here would be your neckline. And we've already started to break out. You also have your technical target from our descending triangle. This is a bearish pattern, guys, but we broke out to the upside. 34% chance of, or 36% chance of breaking out to the upside. Absolutely incredible breakout that we've had here. So here's your target from this double bottom. Brings you pretty close to that target of 52,036, which is the target of our descending triangle. All right, guys, so keep an eye on 52K. Now we are coming up to that major resistance here at 50K. We came very close to testing it, about 50.4K. So we'll see if we're going to break through here. We're cooling off a little bit, which is healthy, guys. See a little bit of consolidation before we go back up to retest 50.4K. Let's hop over to the daily time frame. So we can see here 50.4K is not only our previous swing high, but acted as a major level of support and resistance as well. So if we do break through that, I think we could find some resistance here at about 51,000, where these wicks came down to was a previous level of support. And then if we break through those levels and we back to some as support here, your next targets are around 54 to 55K. See the support and resistance in this area? I think that would be your next major level that we would find resistance here. We are still having our bearish divergence, but as I've been saying in other videos, these can take quite a while to play out here. We bounced beautifully off the 20 EMA, and we're seeing that continuation. So right now, all eyes on 50.4K. If we smash through it here, if we break through it, back test it as support, and your next target is 51K. If we break through that, we back test it as support. You don't have a lot of resistance in this area. I think we would easily shoot up to about 54, 55,000. All right, guys. So we'll drop in some quick levels of support. If we were to get rejected here and we rolled over, we could come back down and test our neckline of this double bottom at about 49,094. Could act as a major level of support. We are looking healthy here. We might just see a little bit of consolidation before going up to test 50.4K once again. All right, guys. So just a quick little update for Bitcoin. Beautiful breakout that we've seen here. We're getting really excited yesterday in the Discord. We're posting chart patterns. We're posting memes. We have over 1,000 members, guys. If you want to sign up, beautiful crypto community, you can sign up through the Patreon. It's the price of a coffee. Guys, make sure to sign up to Bybit. I'm in some juicy profits right now on my leverage trades. Make sure to sign up, get up $1,600 in bonuses. All right, guys, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.